Hello, welcome back to the channel. On the last video I made, I did a wind-blown tree. So this is the other half of the log from that wind-blown tree. So I've already done the block out, got the shape of the tree going, and I'm going to put some texture on it, but not with the chainsaw, with the file sander. So when your arms are feeling a bit tired, or you just don't want that vibration from the saw and the noise from the saw, it's just easier on your body. Whip out the file sander, easy to use, Evolution precision file sander, 400 watt, and it's adjustable. So you see where the orange lever by my right thumb, you flick that and you can adjust the angle of the sanding arm, so then you can sort of go around corners if you will. Obviously you can't go around corners, but it helps you go around corners. If you wanted to go around corners, you'd be more likely to be able to go around corners with the Evolution file sander. No, I'm only joking, I'm not sponsored by them or nothing, but it's a good tool. I've had it for about 7 months. And yeah, when your arms are a little bit tired, does detail fast and precise, and it's just easier on your body, on your arms and that, on your muscles. And these trees, they're like Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop. Fast and easy to do. Well, reasonably easy to do, but they're fun as well. Obviously Christmas around the corner, get a few of them made, you probably get a few sold. And if not, you could just make like a little forest in your living room. That's what I've done. Took a picture of a few that I've done. I'm going to show you at the end. I think I've done about 8 now, 6, something like that anyway. And the sanding, belt I've got on there, it's probably like medium to low grit. It's got a big multi-pack off Amazon for it. I did, so there's like 5 different grits in there, so I usually use the medium to low, depending on whether you're using it on wood or that. You can use the file sander to clean paint off metal and that. And obviously, depending on whether you're trying to do fine detail or take out a lot of remove a lot of material, then go from there with what grit you want to use and that. So I've done a little knot in the tree there, something like a little hole in the tree, and then there's like the roots or whatever of the tree. So you can do whatever you want with it really, and the more you play about with it, the more confident you'll get with it and that. And just wear gloves, because sometimes you can rub your fingers when it's going around the belt can, so that's why I wear a glove. And it pops off your hands in the way anyway, so it doesn't, it's alright. So wear your goggles and that. So there's the second wind-blown tree, all done. There's my little thumbnail pose. Little tip, always do that at the end of your video. So you can just press pause, take a screenshot, and you've got your thumbnail. And there's the little trees in the living room. And this is the latest tree that I've made. I'm doing that today actually. Like a 360 tree. A little bit of a lean to it and that. And please subscribe, and if you liked the video and found it useful, give it a thumbs up. And drop me a comment on anything you want to see done in the future, anything you want me to go over in more detail and that. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.